Are you ready to have some more fun today? I know I am. Today we're going to learn some more letters of the alphabet and the sounds that they make. The next letter we're going to learn is the letter H. The letter H makes the sound H. Let's have some fun with the sound of the letter H, which is H. Let's say the sound H together. H. H. Let's have some fun now with the shape of the letter H. Use your finger and follow along with me. H. H. All letters have names but also make sounds. The letter H makes the sound H. Shall we listen to some words and see if we can hear the H sound together? Horse starts with the sound H. Horse. Can you say horse? Horse. H, 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 horse. Listen to the H sound in house. Can you say house? House. H, 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 house. Let's think of some more words that start with the letter H and make the sound H. Can you say any of these words to me? Shall we say them together? Horse, house, hat, heart, and hospital. Well done! Did you hear the H sound in some of those words? How many words can you find today that start with the sound H? Let's make a list or take a photo of all the things that we can find that start with the letter H and the sound H. There are lots of wonderful words that start with the letter H and the sound H. So let's say those words again together and listen out for that H sound. Horse, H, 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 horse. House, H, 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 house. Hat, H, 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 hat. Heart, H, 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 heart. And hospital, H, 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 hospital. Well done! Did you follow along with me? Let's look out for more words that start with the sound H. Look for them in a book, on signs or on your screens and listen out for the H sound. And let's write the letter H again together. Can you make the H sound when you're writing? H. Try practicing writing the letter H today. Use your finger to write the letter H on your leg or in the air like me. There are lots of places we can practice our letters, like using stones that we find from outside or sticks we collect from the woods, just like me. How much fun would that be? How many different places can you find to practice writing the letter H? I love looking for letters in words and listening out for the sounds that they make. Let's all listen out for the H sound today. Now we found lots more words that start with the sound H, and we can start to write the letter too. Why not try this at home today and see how many things you can find that start with the letter H and the sound H. I've had so much fun learning the letter H with you today. I hope you've enjoyed it too. So let's keep looking out for those letters, listening out to the sounds that they make and practicing their shapes. But most importantly, keep having fun learning. and I'll see you again next time. Have a woolly, wonderful day. Bye.